Hi guys, welcome to the 7 Minutes Challenge. Delicious meals ready in 7 minutes or less. Please watch till the end for a chance to win some cool prizes. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So today we're making French toast. We've got here 2 slices of white toasty bread with the crust removed. We've got 2 eggs beaten, some golden syrup, and some slightly salted butter. So now we're going to dip the bread in the egg. We're heating up our pan and adding some vegetable oil. We're going to add our bread. So we're going to toast it till both sides are golden brown. So our toast is about ready now. So we transfer it to the plate. So all that's left to do is to add a little bit of butter and golden syrup. Our French toast is now ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. If you have a recipe that you want to share, please let us know. We are giving away some cool prizes every month. In the meantime, take care and see you in the next one.